Okay, we're in the upstairs attic, looking around, and we've got air duct. It's not insulated. It's in return. This is supply, not insulated. It's a 20 by 25 by 1. If I could get in there, the filter's taped up. Primary, there's a flue. It's not properly supported, and it's got tape on it as well. So this is the gas line coming to the indoor air handler, and it does not have a sediment trap or a drip leg. Take your pick. We've got some rust in the pan, not a lot of rust. This is your primary evaporator drain line. That's a shallow trap. That's the manufacturer does not recommend that. Now this is a safety switch, which is a good thing to have, because if this gets clogged up, it turns off. This safety switch belongs on this. This is the pan. The pan is stubbed off, so if this pan fills, and there goes the water now, dripping off of this. If this pan fills up, there's no place for the water to go, and it won't turn off the unit. This switch belongs here. It'd be better if it had a drain, but this would be acceptable, but it's not. You're also supposed to have 30-inch platform unobstructed, not electric wires. I'm crawling over live electric wires. It's obstructed by duct vents. You have to crawl over here like Cirque du Soleil. You see these trails? These trails, two different people make these trails. People make these trails. Two different animals make these trails. People make these trails, and rats make these trails. And you see them over there like that? That looks like rat trails to me. These purlins are undersized, but that was the way of the world back then. The roof has been, that's a thermal radiant barrier, which is nice to have, but it doesn't wrap around these rafters, so you have bridging, and there's other places where it wasn't installed so hot. I'm going to hang up now and open this baby up and see what it's